Okay, so this is the second shot into our 14th hole here. Thomas measured this out right at about 126. So we're and one thing that we talked about was distance control that he's been working on as well. And this is a place to put it all together as far as just being confident in your distance and trusting that and trusting the club in your hand. It's a very well struck shot, right next, maybe about 8 feet short of the pin, but it's a very well struck shot. You can hear the you can hear the smash that I referred to in lesson 1 with Joe Hallett, where you either have a click, which means you're getting more ball than you need to. You either have a thud or a thud, which means you get more ground than you need to, or a smash, which means you get the right amount of ball and the right amount of ground to impart the correct amount of spin.
Yeah, right there, I had 126. Normally like you said, I'm working on distance control, not always hitting the full wedge shot. It seems to get you in trouble. Particularly start spinning the ball a lot if they're nice and firm.
Yeah.
So right there I hit pitching wedge, a little bit of wind. Normally I'd try to hit a 50, about as hard as I could, and that just doesn't seem to get the same results when you're always trying to hit a club. It's maximum distance. It took a little bit off the wedge, and pretty good result.
All right, and that's the thing we talk about, as far as playing smart too.
Right.
We talked about several times about you play one shot to set yourself up for the next shot. That's part of playing smart, and then just trusting everything, and not thinking too much, because it's like I said in the first lesson, that sometimes that 6 inches between our ears can do some crazy things to golf games.